Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change appearance on Fiverr. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fiverr app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're going to find 5 options there: Home, Messages, Search, Order, and User icon. Tap on User icon where you'll see options like My Fiverr, Settings, and Resources. Well, you're gonna have to select Preferences, which is right under Settings. Once you do that, you'll find Appearance as the 4th option on your screen. Tap on Appearance. There you're gonna see 3 options: Light, Dark, and System. Go ahead, select the type of appearance that you want and go back, and you'll see the appearance of Fiverr has been changed. And guys, that's it. That's how you change appearance on Fiverr. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.